We won. Mr. Stark. You won, Mr. Stark. You won. You did it, sir. You did it.
The only thing you really fight for is yourself.
Gepper, get outside. Go!
You're not the guy to make the sacrifice play, to lay down on a wire and let the other guy crawl over you. You know, you may not be a threat, but you better stop pretending to be a hero.
What have I to fear?
The Avengers. That's what we call ourselves. Sort of like a team.
We all need family. The Avengers are yours. Maybe more so than mine.
Kid, you're an Avenger now.
Tell me his name again.
Thanos. He's a plague, Tony. He invades planets, he takes what he wants, he wipes out half the population. He sent Loki. The attack on New York, that's him.
I don't think you quite understand what's at stake here. It's you who doesn't understand that Thanos has been inside my head for 6 years, since he's brought me to New York, and now he's back. And I don't know what to do.
This is it.
How are you guys planning on beating them?
Together. We'll lose. And we'll do that together too.
Are you that guy? Are you? Because if you are, then you can solve the riddle of your heart.
Don't waste it. Don't waste your life.
Threat is imminent, and I have to protect the one thing that I can't live without. That's you. And my suits, they're part of me.
What do you remember about your dad, huh?
He was cold. He was calculating. He never told me he loved me. He never even told me he liked me.
But one day you'll figure this out. And when you do, you will change the world.
And I'm the man who killed the Avengers.
Playing on your fear.
I wasn't tricked, I was shown. It wasn't a nightmare, it was my legacy.
I can't take this.
What do you look at me?
My body literally cannot handle the stress. I never know if you're gonna kill yourself or wreck the whole company.
I think I did okay.
Tony!
I hope they remember you. How many did we win? One.
What is and always will be my greatest creation is you.
Yes.
I don't want to go. I don't want to go. Sir, please.
I am Iron Man.
Just do it! You die!
I'm trying to keep you from tearing the Avengers apart.
We are not soldiers.
Isn't that the why we fight? So we can end the fight? So we get to go home?
Every time someone tries to win a war before it starts, innocent people die.
I'm sorry, did I just mishear you, or did you agree?
I'm gonna take it back.
No, you can't retract it. You're such good care of me. Been in a tough spot, and you got me through it, so...
Yeah, my respects, Doc.
I was wrong about you.
I will miss you too.
Yeah?
We're gonna be okay.
I love you, Dan.
You can rest now.